Hello, today I'm opening 4 packs of Yugioh Breakers of Shadow. Unfortunately, only did I notice after I was leaving Target that only one pack was first edition. Let's see what we're going to get. Okay, I got Tuning Magician. I want that Twin Twister card. I need that for my deck. And getting some of the secret rares. Majespecter Toad Ogama. So far, not any of the good supers or anything. Majespecter Supercell and Yugioh King. Let's hope this last pack has something good. And nope, I like this one actually, but it's just another Yugioh King. But then Chimera Tech, Rampage Dragon. So nothing really amazing. Just some Majespecter stuff, which I don't care about whatsoever. But I do like the Tuning Magician and I guess the Chimera Tech Rampage Dragon. So that's it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this opening, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.